Welcome back to the cruise world. Today we're taking a tour of the beautiful MSC Seashore. If you love cruising, this is the place for ship tours, vlogs, tips, parodies, and a whole lot more. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel with that notification bell turned on. MSC Seashore is the first of two enriched SEASIDE EVO class ships to be built by Fincantieri. At just over 170,000 gross tons, she's substantially larger than the two preceding SEASIDE class ships, Seaside and Seaview. Seashore was originally set to start sailing in June of 2021, but due to the pandemic, her debut was postponed until August of 2021, and she currently calls Port Miami her home. Seashore has 15 passenger decks and a capacity for 4,540 passengers at double occupancy. She's also the first new cruise ship to feature advanced air sanitation technology aimed at reducing the risk of catching viruses. MSC Seashore pays homage to New York City, which you'll see right away as we start at the rear of Deck 5 with the first of four main dining rooms, the Central Park Restaurant. All the dining rooms offer Mediterranean and international specialties with a menu that changes every day. Moving forward, we enter the Atrium area where guest services and reception are located on the port side of the ship. And flanked by MSC's beautiful staircases inlaid with Swarovski crystals is the Seashore Bar. Over on the starboard side of the ship is the Future Cruises office. This is where you can explore and plan your next MSC cruise. You'll also find an area where you can use kiosks to check out all of your great photos that the professional photographers on board the Seashore have been taking of your vacation. And the photo viewing continues as we head through the Emotions Immersive Gallery. Next up is the Hub, where you can purchase your pictures and various photo accessories. And finally, we come to the MSC Foundation store and Danza del Mare, a sculpture created for the foundation by Venchi, one of the world's most esteemed glassmakers. Up to Deck 6, and we'll start midship at our next main dining room, Tribeca. And as we head forward, you'll find Shine Bar, where you can grab a drink while soaking up great views of the ocean and the impressive Atrium. On the starboard side is the Excursions desk, where you can get info and book activities for your various ports of call. And as we head forward towards the Times Square area, there are a ton of items on display that can be purchased at all the shops here on Deck 6, like the duty-free shop, perfumes and cosmetics, watches, the boutiques, and the accessory shop. Next up is the Venchi 1878 chocolate bar, where you can watch the master chocolatiers create mouth-watering delights in their open kitchen. As we pass all those aforementioned shops, we approach the dueling piano area and the Seashore's 3-deck-high tribute to Times Square. At the forward of Deck 6 and extending up to Deck 7 is the Madison Theater, which showcases spectacular new and original full-scale theatrical productions that you won't want to miss. And as we exit the theater, we enter the MSC Signature Casino, which offers the latest slots, table games, and tournaments. The casino bar is also home to the ship's replica of the Statue of Liberty. Surrounding the atrium area here on Deck 7 is the Champagne and Wine Bar, with seating on both the port and starboard sides, as well as a watches and sunglasses shop. Over to the left, you'll notice these kiosks, and there are several of these throughout the ship. This is where you can assign a credit card to your onboard account. Continuing toward the rear of the ship is the Fifth Avenue restaurant. And just through this impressive lighted walkway is a hot air balloon photo stop. And our final main dining room, the Manhattan Restaurant. And at the very rear of Deck 7 is one of our favorite entertainment venues on board the Seashore, the Cabaret Rouge, where they bring singing, dancing, and art together with 6 breathtaking performances. Now we're heading up to Deck 8, and we're back at the front of the ship where it's time to relax and be pampered in the Aurea Spa. This spa area covers nearly 25,000 square feet of space, designed to revitalize your body and soul with relaxation, well-being, and pampering. The area includes 21 treatment rooms, an enhanced thermal area with a scrub room, steam room, salt room, snow room, Finnish sauna, soft sauna, blower pool, Mediterranean bath, vertical Knipe, Meta Spa Center, an exclusive outdoor area, professional hair and nail salon, and a barbershop. Just because you're on vacation doesn't mean you have to cancel your daily workout routine. Seashore has a fully equipped workout facility powered by Techno Gym. Now, Deck 8 is jam-packed with places to eat, drink, and play, so we'll start by moving back along the starboard side, and then we'll make our way back up the port side. As we enter Liberty Plaza, we pass by the broadcasting room on our left before getting another view of Lady Liberty on our right. Then we come to the entrance of the Brooklyn Café, where you can grab a drink and listen to live music. On our right are Swarovski and Effie jewelry shops. Now we're approaching another small Excursions desk here on Deck 8, just before we enter the art gallery on our left, and the MSC shop to our right. This spot also provides amazing views of the 3-story atrium. Continuing on, you'll find the Chef's Court restaurants. And just to our right is the cocktail bar. And the always fun and entertaining Kaito Teppanyaki. And continuing along the starboard side is Kaito Sushi, where you can select favorites from the conveyor belt and enjoy them with an ocean view. Next up is the Ocean Cay Seafood Restaurant. Then we make our way to the Uptown Lounge, which hosts various events such as trivia, live music, and of course, karaoke. And just outside here at the rear of Deck 8 is probably our favorite outdoor area here on the seashore, the adults-only infinity pools. There's no shortage of amazing views back here, and you can quench your thirst at the Infinity Bar, which is only steps away, or grab a delicious treat at Venchi 1878 Gelato. There are also promenades on both sides of Deck 8 which offer ample seating, sun, and ocean breezes, as well as 2 infinity bridges near midship. Now we'll make our way forward along the port side of the ship, and just past the Uptown Lounge is Butcher's Cut. This American-style steakhouse serves premium cuts of Angus beef and other specialties. You can dine inside or out on the promenade. The wine cellar is up next. And as we move back into the Atrium area, you'll find HOLA Tacos and Cantina. Their all-you-can-eat option is a great value if you love Mexican food like we do. Now we're moving into the sports bar, and this is the place to grab a drink and catch the big game. In addition to the open bar area, there are several private viewing booths to hang out with family or friends while you root your team on. And last but not least, here on this jam-packed Deck 8 is the pool room. This is a really cool spot where you can hang out and play some pool or shuffleboard. Today's tour is focusing on the public areas of the ship, so we'll skip right past decks 9 through 15, which are all exclusively staterooms. That brings us to deck 16, and we'll start at the rear of the ship in the Sky Bar, where you can grab some liquid courage and walk across the Bridge of Sighs for great views of the infinity pools 8 decks below. Just inside is the Marketplace Buffet, where you can find a great selection of foods and drinks for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's also a bar in the Marketplace, so your favorite refreshments are always close by. Moving forward, we come to the Jungle Pool area. This awesome space has a retractable roof and features a pool, 2 whirlpools, and a jungle beach bar. You may notice that there is a deck 13 on this ship, but no deck 17. That's because in MSC's home country of Italy, 17 is an unlucky number. So from deck 16, we go up 1 floor to deck 18, and we'll start back at the aft of the ship once again, where you can get a nice view of the Bridge of Sighs from above, or you can take one of 2 glass elevators for a panoramic view of the ocean. Now we're heading into the Long Island pool deck area, which features a giant screen, a 360-degree water fountain island, a nice pool, 2 whirlpools, and of course, the Long Island bar. This is definitely the place to be for fun in the sun out on a day at sea. Heading back inside, we head towards the Hall of Games on our right, but first we're going to check out Pirates Cove Aqua Park, which features a wading pool, drench bucket, water cannons, and 4 water slides, including one featuring Aqua Dream VR. Now back to the Hall of Games, where you'll find a huge assortment of video games, but our favorite part of this area has got to be the virtual reality whitewater rafting, the Formula Racer, and the XD Interactive Cinema. Continuing along the starboard side of Deck 18, we re-enter the Jungle Pool area. And just around the corner is DoReMi Land, the kids club on board the Seashore. There's the mini club for the 3 to 6 year olds, junior club for kids ages 7 to 11, young club for 12 to 14, and the teen club for 15 to 17 year olds. This area also has a baby club where little ones can play while supervised by their parents, and the DoReMi Studio, a theater-like area for family time and interactive gaming. Deck 19 features the Horizons Bar at midship, and on the starboard side is where the Racer water slides exit. While over on the port side, you'll find 2 large whirlpools. Up to Deck 20, where in addition to amazing ocean views, this is where you'll find the MSC Sports Arena, as well as the Adventure Trail. That does conclude the public areas of the MSC Seashore, but if you're looking for a premium, all-inclusive cruise experience, choose the MSC Yacht Club. MSC Cruises' exclusive ship-within-a-ship concept, which spans 4 decks and has more than 32,000 square feet of space. MSC Seashore's Yacht Club is the largest in the fleet, and is located on the coveted 4 decks and providing sweeping sea views. The MSC Yacht Club includes private luxury accommodations, a large solarium with whirlpools, exclusive restaurant and lounge, private pool, 24-hour butler service, complimentary drinks, and private shore excursions and shopping experiences. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the MSC Seashore. If you've sailed on this amazing ship, let us know what you loved most down in the comments. And if you're booked or thinking about booking, let us know what you're looking forward to the most. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on all the cruise content. And consider checking out these videos that YouTube recommends. Remember, life is short, cruising is fun. We'll see you soon.